Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by selecting a lead clip size to the fishery. Pick 5G, 60G depending on depth and current. Once chosen, tie a short leader, roughly 18 to 30 centimeters, to a swivel. This isolates the rig. Next, thread the main line through the clip and attach it firmly. Use 3 tight half hitches or a small crimp sleeve so the clip sits flat. Make sure the clip faces outward. This prevents snagging and lets the weight release on a strong run. Once the clip is attached, set up presentation and depth. Position the leader so the bait sits naturally. For shore casts, use about 1/2 to 2/3 rod length of trailing leader. Add a small bead or tubing between clip and knot to absorb shock and protect the knot during strikes. Decide fixed versus running lead. Fixed holds bait position. Running lets the weight slide free during a hook set. Make sure to test cast gently to observe bait action and adjust spacing for natural movement. Finish by checking all connections, trimming excess tag ends, and making a controlled cast so the weight can settle. Once the sinker sits, watch for subtle takes, keep slack minimal. At a strike, a brisk, confident retrieve triggers the clip to release the weight, then play the fish on the leader and swivel. If the clip deforms or won't release, replace it immediately. Troubleshooting tip. If you get repeated tangles, inspect for burrs, shorten the leader, and fit an anti-tangle sleeve to correct the problem.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.